Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect HyperX Cloud to wireless to iPhone. If you want to connect HyperX Cloud 2 with your iPhone, then you will need to follow some steps. Here you will see on the Reddit, people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. The HyperX Cloud 2 compatibility with iPhone. Here you will see one people says that Cloud 2 wireless does not use Bluetooth, but rather 2.4 GHz wireless to connect to its adapter. You are not wrong about that. And we have seen a few comments on other users saying they connected the headset adapter to their iPhone using a USB-A to the lighting adapter and that the headset worked. We have not tested it ourselves. And it was not designed to be used with phones, so your miles may vary depending on the phone model, over support or USB devices etc. Cloud to wire can be definitely be used with an iPhone by connecting it via 3.5 mm to lighting adapter. So yes, you can use your Cloud 2 with a wire can definitely be used with an iPhone by connecting it via 3.5 mm to lighting adapter. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.